stand with your feet hip-width apart, toes pointing forward. Inhale, sweep your arms out and up, interlace your fingers and press your palms up to the sky. Exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, come back to center, stretch up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, come back to center, reach up. And again, exhale, bend to the right. Inhale, come back to center, stretch up. Exhale, bend to the left. Inhale, come back to center, reach up. Exhale, release your fingers and bring your hands back down by your sides. Interlace your fingers behind your back and pull your hands away to feel a stretch across your chest and the fronts of your shoulders. Move gently from side to side. Release your fingers and let your arms fall by your sides. Bring your hands to the back of your neck. Inhale, lift your chest, arch back and look up. Exhale, round your spine, drop your head and bring your elbows together. Inhale, lift your chest, look up to the sky. Exhale, draw your abs in and tuck your chin to your chest. Inhale, arch back, open up your chest, look up. Exhale, round your spine, drop your head and pull your belly in. Last time. Inhale, lift your chest, arch your spine and look up. Exhale, round your back, drop your head and pull your belly in. Inhale, come back to center. Exhale, release the pose.